Into this video, we are going to see how to restore orphaned analysis models and reports in BHCO. Artifacts such as analysis models and reports might become orphaned due to their parent domain being removed from BHCO. For example, because it gets deleted from an obligorial dataset or a manual operation. So BHCO makes available a couple of tools in order to be able to classify and retrieve all the orphaned analysis models and reports. In order to leverage these tools, access Administration System Maintenance page and deploy this package Works Administration Data Marts. You only need to deploy it once. I redeploy it for you just as a demo. So go through the wizard, wait for the package to be installed, and wait for the data marts to be realized. This package deploys 3 materialized data marts inside the database that list the orphaned analysis models and reports. So, for example, you can see this analysis belonging to app ID 9 with ID 20 is orphaned and belongs to this G. Gasparini user. So, if we want to retrieve this analysis, we have to access the address bar and insert a special URL that allows us to retrieve the analysis. From that URL, then we will be able to access the analysis and move it to a different domain where we can access it. Let's see an example. So the URL is, in case of analysis, is like this. Here you have to insert the original orphan deleted domain ID, so in our case 9. And at the end of the URL, you have to insert the ID of the analysis, in this case 20. So we access the analysis, and as you can see on the left, the domain is not visible. Then we can move the analysis to a target domain in order to be able to have a non-orphaned analysis. Our analysis is now here. With a similar mechanism and different URLs, you can retrieve models and reports. Let's try to restore an orphaned report. Access data marts, works admin reports. So for example, this report belonging to app ID 9 with report ID 5. So we can insert the URL here, like 9 report ID 5. Here's our report, and we can move it to another domain in order to gain access to it. With a similar mechanism, you can also retrieve models and even time filter.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.